So lots of people have got blocked noses. There's lots of reasons for that. Some of us, we've got an obstruction, we've broken our nose before, but most of us actually it's just habit. We've become mouth breathers and our nose has just atrophied and we just don't use it enough. So it's hard to breathe nasally if you can't breathe through your nose in the first place. But the good news is, if you can breathe through your nose for a minute, you can breathe through your nose for life. So there's a really great technique we can use to clear our nose if we struggle. So I'll demonstrate this for Lauren to do, and then we'll run through it. So it's pretty simple, Loz. All we're really going to do is we're going to take a series of breaths just in and out through our nose, just breathing normally, best we can. And after a while, we're basically going to set on a nice rhythm, and then we're going to breathe in basically through the nose, hold, and once we've held that breath, we're then going to shake our head, not super hard, just move it up and down, and side to side. And we're going to keep doing that until we feel a really strong urge to breathe. When we feel that strong urge to breathe, we're then going to let the breath out, settle back into a rhythm for 30 seconds, and we'll repeat that. Okay?
Yep.
Understand? So we're just going to in, out, and then we hold. Breathe in, hold at the top, and that's when we start to do that. You've got to feel a really strong urge to breathe before you let your breath go.
Yeah.
Okay? Right, so give it a go. Just breathe normally. And when you're ready, breathe in through your nose, pinch your nose, and then you're going to shake your head. That's good, just keep going. You can go up and down and go side to side. So what's happening while Lauren's doing this, and to be honest with you, it's still not fully understood why this is an effective way of clearing your nose. One theory is that the nitric oxide pools in your sinuses whilst you're doing this. Okay, so back in normal breathing. Most people will need to do this 5 or 6 times if they've got a blocked nose, and you've got to be consistent. You might need to do this 3, 4, 5 times a day. If you do it consistently for a couple of weeks, most people will find that their nose really starts to clear out. So when you're ready, breathe back in through your nose, hold your breath, hold your nose. The key to this one working is you've got to make sure you generate a strong air hunger before you let your fingers off your nose and start breathing again. That seems to be the real kind of magic moment of actually helping to clear the nose. Contraindications for this one: don't do this if you're pregnant, don't do this if you're severely asthmatic, don't do this basically if you're severely anxious, because you want to avoid generating strong breath holds. Just breathing normally again. Do one more round when you're ready. Breathe in through your nose and hold your breath and hold your nose. It's actually quite effective. Well, if you're feeling quite tired or groggy in the morning, you do this, generate the strong air hunger. It'll kind of give you a bit of a pop as well, wake you up a little bit. There we go. You okay?
Yep. I feel what you mean though, and it makes you feel like...
Wakes you up.
Yeah, it does. Everything's brighter.
So that's a really, really simple way of just clearing your nose. So give it a go. Thanks a lot.